Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up another Daily Goodie Box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Daily Goodie Box. This is for the month of January. For you guys who have been following my channel, you guys know this is a free box of full-size products or deluxe size products, but it's totally free. If you haven't checked out, I'll have their information underneath the video so you guys can check that out. Basically, if you find Daily Goodie Box, you can go to dailygoodiebox.com, create an account, and you'll see the ways that you can get your free box as well. The fastest way you can probably get a free box is if you follow them on Facebook, because every day, literally, they give you opportunities so you can get a free box yourself. So this is what the box looks like here, and it's pretty big, so you guys can check that out. So it's pretty big, and I've gotten some really great products that we've tried before that we've never even heard before. So let's see what is in this month's box. So this is what it looks like there. And every month it comes with this little postcard, and what it says is, you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in the box. So that is what that looks like. And then they always have like blue tissue paper just supporting the products as well. So we will see what's in here. And then this and that is what the box looks like inside. So we're gonna take a look and see what actually is in this package. So the very first thing I see here, it's a package of 3. So let me see what these are. So this is fruit. This is from North Coast. This is organic. And this is fruit and veggie applesauce. So I love applesauce as a snack. I use it for baking, so I would definitely get use out of those. And we have 3 in this little Ziploc bag there. And then the next item we have here is from Mary's Gone Crackers. It says here these are original crackers. These are organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, and whole grain. So you guys have that there. So these are crackers. I'm sure we're gonna get use out of that here in my home. And then the next item we have here is from RXBAR. This is a protein bar. This is a peanut butter, chocolate, and as you can see there, it tells you what is inside basically. So, or probably the equivalent of the protein. So it says 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, and no BS. So this is a serious bar, guys. So we will definitely get use out of that. And then the next item we have here, this is from the company Tosi. These are cashew blueberry super bites is what it says there. So this is cool. This is different. I thought the package was open at first, but I guess not. So this looks like just a blueberry bar. So that's cool. That's like one of those little protein or snack bars. The next item we have here is from M&P Sleep Factors. So these are probably 12, it says 12 vegan capsules. It contains melatonin. So obviously this is to fall asleep, and we actually currently use melatonin. So I would definitely give that a try in my house and see how that works for us. The next one we have here is Mango Kiss. This is from the company Echo Lips. So this is, the color is blood orange. And then you can see there, that's Echo Lips. So this is a full-size lip balm product there. And then the next item I see here is from Hydralyte. I believe the last box I received like a Hydralyte, one of those liquid, I guess when you're sick and you're losing so much liquid in your body. I forgot what you call it, but it's like Electrolytes or something, like Hydralytes or something like that, sorry. So what is this here? It says clinical hydration, rapid results. So this seems like a similar product. And of course, looks like a full-size product. And it says it has 12 tablets in there. So let me see what you use this for. Let me see. Okay, so this is a medical food that for prevention and relief of dehydration. That's what it was. I couldn't think of what it was for. Caused by vomiting, diarrhea, fever, or heavy sweating. So that's cool. This is 12, I believe it's 12 tablets in here. let me see, no, 20 tablets in here. So this is definitely a full-size product here. So it looks like you just throw this into your water. And it has an orange flavor. So definitely love that. Anything for sickness, especially now in the winter, you definitely need that. All right, so the next item we have here is from Coco Luxe. So we have 2 of these. This is for hydration also. So this is 100% pure coconut water, no added sugar, never from concentrate, no preservatives. So there you go, there's 2 of these. We love coconut water, we use that all the time, so I definitely will get use out of this here. Okay, so that was the January box. So let us do a recap if I went too fast for you. And just to let you guys know, they always give you more information on the companies. And if there's any like coupons, they will give that to you if you want to grab something yourself. That's always at the bottom. All right, so let us do a recap and talk about what came in January. So we have, remember, we have the 2 coconut bottles here. So we have that. And then we also have the hydration tablets. We have that. We have our melatonin sleep tablets here. We also have our blueberry cashew bite. We have that. And then we have our lip balm, eco-friendly, caught it. Good job. And then we have our protein bar, that's that. We have our original crackers, we have that. And then of course, last but not least, I'm super excited. This is our fruit and veggie organic apple sauce. And I just want to make sure they're actually all the same. Yeah, they're all the same. They just have like a different color on all. So what did you guys think of this free daily goodie box? Did you think it was worth it? I think it was worth it. Anything free is totally worth it in my opinion. So those are definitely good products that we can check out. And again, they're all useful. So we'll definitely get benefit of that. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought. And with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good day, guys.